Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've come again to show you. This is from the same people I have been talking about. You can see this is my Sportybet account. You can see how we have been winning. You can see all the winning proofs. This is live, understand? This is not edited, this is live. You can see it. You can even check the dates. You can see this particular one that I win. Let me refresh. Okay, so you can see it. This is the winning proofs of Old King Betting Center. People who has been giving me games that I've been playing. You understand? If you ever want to win big on this space, the best advice I will give to you is to join these particular people. You get them, just comment, I will give you their contact. Just comment, I will give you their contact. If you want to join them, just drop your comment in the comment section and I will give you their number, so you chat them on WhatsApp. So guys, this is not free. Actually, I paid 5k. You understand? You can see my history. You can see the betting history. Always winning. Although I didn't get it for free, I paid 5k to be part of this particular group. They have a VIP group and I paid to join them. So if you want it, just comment, I'll give you their phone number so you contact them on WhatsApp.